What if your money could work as hard as you do? What if you could build wealth that grows around the clock, even while you sleep? Welcome to Modern Monarch, the channel where we conquer modern finance and build empires of passive income. Today, we're cracking open the vault to reveal the top 10 assets that are creating new millionaires right now. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about proven, powerful assets that build real, lasting wealth. Some of these are classics, some are purely digital, and one is so profoundly underrated that most people walk right past it every single day. Stay until the end because we'll also expose the one thing most people think is an asset, but is actually a secret liability draining their wealth. Let's dive into the list. Asset number 1. The stock market, but not in the way you might think. The wealthy aren't just gambling on meme stocks. They're harnessing the relentless power of the entire market through low-cost index funds and ETFs. Think of it as buying a tiny piece of the 500 most successful companies in America all at once. The magic isn't in timing the market. It's in time in the market. Consistent investing paired with compound interest is an unstoppable wealth-building machine. Asset number 2, real estate, the classic wealth builder. It provides cash flow from rent, appreciation as the property value increases, and powerful tax benefits. And the barrier to entry is lower than ever. You no longer need to be a landlord to benefit. With real estate crowdfunding platforms? You can pool your money with other investors to own a share of large apartment complexes or commercial properties, generating passive income without fixing a single toilet. Asset number 3, your own business. This is the ultimate wealth accelerator. Building a successful business creates an entity that has value beyond your own time. You're not just earning a salary. You're building an asset that can be sold for a life-changing sum. This doesn't mean you have to risk it all on a startup. The modern path often starts as a side hustle, an online store, a consultancy, a content brand that scales into a formidable asset. Asset number 4, digital assets and intellectual property. This is the new frontier. Think online courses, ebooks, software code, patents, or a popular YouTube channel you created once, and it can be sold an infinite number of times. This asset class scales perfectly. Whether one person buys your course or 10,000 do, the work required from you doesn't change. It's pure leverage. Asset number 5, cryptocurrency and blockchain assets. Love it or hate it, crypto has created a new class of wealth. Beyond the speculation on coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, the real wealth is being built in the infrastructure of Web3 through staking, yield farming, and investing in the protocols that will power the next generation of the internet. It's a high-risk, high-reward arena, but it cannot be ignored. Asset number 6, peer-to-peer lending. Cut out the bank. Platforms exist that allow you to loan your money directly to individuals or small businesses and earn interest. You become the bank. By spreading your investment across many small loans, you mitigate risk and create a steady stream of interest income, often at rates much higher than a traditional savings account. Asset number 7, yourself. This is the most underrated asset. Your knowledge, your skills, your network. Investing in yourself through education, certifications, and building a strong personal brand has the highest guaranteed return of any investment you will ever make. A higher skill set commands a higher salary, which gives you more capital to invest in all the other assets on this list. You are the engine of your own wealth. Asset number 8, art and collectibles. This is the playground of the ultra-wealthy, but it's becoming more accessible. Rare art, vintage watches, classic cars, and even trading cards can appreciate massively over time. The key is to invest in items with proven scarcity, cultural significance, and a passionate collector base. Now, with fractional investing platforms, you can even own a share of a blue-chip painting or a rare collectible, turning a niche market into a potential asset class for your portfolio. Asset number 10, a high-income skill. This is the asset that fuels all others. It's not the money in your bank account, it's your ability to earn it. Skills in high demand like software development, data analysis, copywriting, or sales are assets that consistently generate high revenue. This skill is the primary tool you use to acquire all the other assets on this list. So there you have it, the 10 assets building modern wealth. But remember that liability I mentioned? It's the brand new car, or any rapidly depreciating purchase that drains your cash and provides no return. The wealthy might buy luxury goods, but only after their assets are generating more than enough to pay for them. Don't mistake a liability for an asset. Building a kingdom of wealth doesn't happen overnight. It starts with acquiring your first asset. Which one on this list resonates most with you? If you found this valuable, do us a huge favor. Smash that like button and subscribe to Modern Monarch and hit the bell notification. We're here to guide you on your journey to financial sovereignty. Tell us in the comments, which asset are you most excited to start investing in? Number 7, number 2, let us know. Thanks for watching. This is Modern Monarch. Now go forth and build your empire.